Hey everyone, Happy New Year! Hello, my name is Deanna. This is Deanna Troy Travels channel where I explore all over Southeast Asia and America. But today I am actually exploring a place I have not yet, which is my backyard. This is the little brook I have behind my house. It's a beautiful winter day, so I wanted to just take you all on a little stroll with me as I catch you up with my new year, new travels coming up, and my new gimbal, which I'm using right now to film. This is the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus, and I'm gonna get into all the cool things it does later. But right now, let's just have a little winter walk together and catch up. So I actually had something really crazy happen to me at the end of 2023 that I'm like so excited and shook about. I actually won international Taylor Swift concert tickets. So unbeknownst to me, I am going on a huge trip again this year to Europe. Yes, I have only seen a little bit of Europe, so this is super exciting. My husband is coming, of course, and we're starting off our trip in London. So if you guys have any London, I gotta watch where I'm going too, but is this so pretty? Yes, we're starting our trip in London, and we're taking the Euro-rail all the way around and ending in Lisbon, where the Taylor Swift concert is. Yay! So I actually won these tickets because a bioscience company was having just a random contest to win international tickets. And all you had to do was comment which city you'd want to see. I've never been to Portugal, so I just commented the Lisbon, Portugal show, and they picked me. So that's where my trip's gonna end at the end of May, to see the Taylor Swift concert. I am so excited. Also this year, for the rest of the year, I'm going to be uploading more footage from a Southeast Asia trip that my husband and I took to the Gili Islands in Indonesia. All my videos pretty much from now until May is going to be of Gili Trawangan Island. It's so beautiful there. I highly recommend it if you're going on a honeymoon, because it's so peaceful and relaxing. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. I already posted the first in the series on my channel now. But yeah, so I am exploring my backyard today with the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus, and me and my husband are gonna just hang out in the snow. I'm gonna take some cool shots with this thing and tell you more about what it can do. So yeah, thanks for catching up with me. Let me know if you have any travel plans this year, and let's check out what this Hohem does. Now that you've seen some of the really cool shots that this can take, I also want to talk about more awesome things that are intuitive in the button design that I really love. So come on close, I'm gonna show you. Right now you can see there's a hefty button area here. You can spin the camera around like this with the toggle, up and down as well. And what's really great about this is here, of course, this red dot shows that you can record and also take a picture with this red button if you press it once. But if you press this button twice fast, it goes from video mode to picture mode. And if you want to switch back to video mode, you press it twice again. And if you are on the go showing the beautiful scenery, but you want to switch it to your face, you can just press this button 3 times fast. And it goes to selfie mode, and you are ready to film yourself talking. And if you want to go back, you just go 1, 2, 3. And all of a sudden you're back to the beautiful scenery. Another thing that's really cool about this gimbal is that you can charge your phone on the go. This is awesome if you're a vlogger like me and you're filming all day. Sometimes your phone battery is gonna die. You can have an Android or an iPhone for this feature, and you just plug it in right into the Hohem and turn the Hohem on, and all of a sudden you're gonna see that my phone is charging. Look at that charging symbol right there. And this is if you're desperate for a charge. And if you get the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus kit, it comes with this very, very bright little magnetic fill light. All you have to do is just turn it on with one button, and as you can see, it is so bright. So this will really light up your selfie videos and selfie pictures, and it goes right on top there, and it just gives you a bunch of great light. It has warm, cool, and a combo of both. So whether you're exploring your own backyard or a whole new country, this year I recommend getting the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus gimbal for all of your travel videos.